Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone had a great 4th of July in social distance and stay cool, because I know it was hotter than balls here. Me and my son ended up staying home because my husband had to work, which is nothing new, honestly. It's nothing new. But yeah, it was kind of a boring day for us. Anyways, so I have some new stuff to technically I already tried it out. So what happened, I know this is not going up on Monday. I have filmed my video all in one, and I gotta stop doing that. I gotta start doing sections when I film my videos, because when I went to edit my video, half of my video was corrupted. So my video didn't go up. But I've already tried these products out, so I can tell you they're pretty good. But I have in front of me the new Colourpop Pretty Fresh Foundation. This technically does not come out until July 9th, so tomorrow, or the day that I'm putting this video up, I don't know. I'm doing this video on the 8th. But this comes out on the 9th on Colourpop website. And beware, the shades light are really, really, really white. I mean, I'm pretty pale, but I don't know if it's where I've been outside a lot. It is just, it looks extremely white on my skin. So no, my foundation is not going to match my skin today. That's okay. Nothing new. So I also have the Morphe Coca palette, the lip glosses, and the brushes. But yeah, so I'm going to use those products today. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, leave some comments down below, and let's do makeup. I actually put way too much on my finger. And yes, my brushes are dirty. I have not been keeping up with washing my brushes every Sunday like I planned. Summers are hard for us though, because I feel like I should be doing a lot more outside with my son. Vastly different. It is early for me. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera just because it takes me 100 years to do it sometimes. I went in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, the Dagger. It's pretty good. It stays forever on this eyes. So now I'm going to go in with some face primer. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. It smells amazing. Super moisturizing. Not that you need it with this foundation, but my skin feels dry. We're just going to put the foundation on, because why not? you can see how white it is on my skin. And I got this shade Light 33C, and as you can see, my natural skin tone. It's just white. It does show your imperfections a little bit through your skin. Like, I can see my freckles, I can see my pimples poking through. That doesn't bother me personally. This time of month, I cannot help the pimples. They just happen. But I'm going to go ahead and show you up close. Like, it really does sit really nice on the skin. It's such a light shade. I need to order a darker shade, at least to mix in with that one. Anyways, I'm going to pop off here, do my concealer, bronzer, and blush real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so my skin is nice and bronzed now. I look like a human again. I don't look as dead. So what I'm going to do, though, I haven't highlighted my face. So I'm going to use this. Oh, and by the way, I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my go-to bronzer. I love it. I also went in with the Zoeva Nude Spectrum Blush. And I used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And I went in with the Everyday Vacay Setting Powder from Seattle, London. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my face just a little bit. This is the Seattle, London Confetti Highlighter. Looks like this. And I'm going to take this fan brush just because I've never used one. I don't know how to use it. Pray for me. So I like how the light hits right here on my cheek. So I'm just going to lightly dust it. Like, this is the legit first time I've ever used this brush, and I don't know what I'm doing. Let's try this side. Gives it like this super light in your face. I don't like a super highlighted face. I don't like these brushes. I don't even know why I use it. What? Let's see, right here. Here. Like, I can see me using it right there under on my brow bone. That's pretty much it. I don't like that brush. It's just personal preference on that. So I'm going to finish up under my eyes. I'm going to take this little brush right here and dip into that shade. On some eyeliner down there, just a little bit of LA Girl Precision in black, just because I use black eyeliner up top. Pop some in my waterline, just like that. And I feel like I want to add a little bit of color in my inner corner, so I'm gonna use this little brush, and I'm gonna dip into this really white gold shade here. Just lightly dab it right there. I'm going to pop on some mascara. This is the Wonder Beauty Mile High real quick. But I figured I would start doing, like, I did not curl my lashes. Oh well. It. That's all I'm doing to my face today, other than my lips. So I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Hydra Matte Fixing Spray. I love that there's no scent to that one. So next I'm going to do my lips. I have these lip glosses right here. I think I'm going to do... I kind of want to do a red lip today. I feel like that's just a little too much, but we're going to do it anyways. So this is part of that trio lip liner that I got in BoxyCharm last month. And this is in the shade Nasty Matte. Who comes up with these names? Seriously. So I'm going to put on this Colourpop lippy stick. It's in the shade Trust Me. Super red. My son actually picked this color out for me at Ulta one day. You have to be very careful fixing red lipstick. So what I'm going to do, because I did mess up on the side a little bit, I'm going to take some concealer on the back of my hand and a little pencil style brush, dab. Alright, so I have a feeling I really want to put this right on my lips. Like, that is red. Obviously. Add a little of the bronze too. Alright you guys, so that is the finished look using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Foundation. Yes, this is an extra one I'm going to give to my sister. I really like that foundation. I've never tried their original liquid foundation, the filter, but I have tried the stick foundation, and this one actually makes my face look really crusty. So, I'm glad that one works for my skin because I do get really, really dry skin. I really like the brushes. I mean, I use mostly Morphe brushes anyway, so it's no big shock that I actually like the brushes. I like the lip glosses. They are not super sticky, so they probably won't have very good staying power, but they are really comfortable to wear. And I like the palette. Like, those neutrals in this palette is stunning. The glitters are kind of messy, and honestly, if you want them to really pop, you would probably want to wet them before you use them. The two red shades in here, I did not have very good luck working with those when I first tried them. Like, they look like they have a lot of pigment, but when you start blending them out, buddy, do they get super, super messy quick. Like, you will have red, it's a mess. But they are pretty shades. I'm going to give them a try again another day. I'm thinking of doing like a red smoky eye with them. I don't know. By the way, if they stain your lids and your brushes, a little warning. I have not tried the glitters in this palette. I don't like putting glitters on my eyes. Not chunky glitters like this red or silver. I don't feel like that's safe to put near your eyes, so I don't put them near my eye. But yeah, the neutral shades in here are amazing. I really, really want to use this shade one day. I don't know why. It's stunning. It's like a iridescent purpley silver. It's not going to show up on my camera, but anyways, yeah. So I mean, what can I say? It's another palette. I have too many palettes. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I promise Monday I will have my makeup video out. Fridays are going to be different videos. So yeah, I'm going to go film that other video now because Friday's coming up. Have a great day, you guys. I'll see you Friday. Bye.